Book 3, God hem winning mogata fight. God hem help mogata people long Israel for winning mogata enemy. Imi sabe landing from mogata. Time you hear him sound blong gita, you turn him golong nara picture. Picture 1. Joshua have faith waiting mogata long Amalekites. Exodus 17 verse 8 go kasim verse 13. Ogata people long Israel long got him ending ground blong ogata. Ogata walk about all boat inside long bush no more. Moses na hem leading mogata. Hem choosing one for the young man named hem Joshua for captain long disala army. Ogata Amalekites attack him Israel, so Moses hem talk him Joshua, go out for fighting mogata Amalekites. By me stand up on top of disala mountain, with him stick blong God inside long hand blong me. Time Joshua hem hold him long hand blong him disala stick blong God on top, ogata Israel ogata win him ogata enemy Amalekites. Hand blong Moses hem tied to us, and hem no sabe hold him up more disala stick blong God. Then ogata Amalekites start for win him disala fight. So two man hold him hand blong Moses, go kasim evening. And God hem help him Joshua for win him ogata Amalekites. Picture 2. Ogata man go walk about height inside long ground ogata long Canaan. Numbers 13 verse 1 go kasim chapter 14 verse 35. God hem a promise for give him disala ground ogata Canaan for golong ogata Israel. So Moses hem send him 12 man for go walk about inside disala ground. Ogata round inside long ground blongot lo Canaan for 40 days. Joshua and Caleb no more give him come good for the report. This fala ground hem good fala tumas. Me fala take him come back fruit blow some fala tree long disala ground. Ogata man stab long day ogata strong tumas. No matter also even no can fright him ogata. Suppose God hem happy with him imi, but hem lead him imi inside long disala ground. But some fala mania give him no good report ogata. Ogata tell him also ogata people long Canaan ogata big man tumas. This one year make him ogata people long Israel fright for go long Canaan. Then God hem chorus tumas long this one year because ogata not trust him. Then ogata walk about inside the bush for 40 fala year more. Ogata long Israel ogata not trust him God ogata die long bush. Picture 3. Ogata people long Israel walk about long disala wataya Jordan. Joshua 1 verse 1 to 9, chapter 3 verse 1 to 17. Time Moses hemi die, Joshua hemi come up leader block along Israel. Then God hemi tokos him long Joshua. You and ogata people must rere for crossing this water along Jordan, for go along this ground by me give long you. God hemi tell him Joshua one for dream. Ogata priest long Israel carry one for a special box, ogata call him long ark. Hemi got him flat stone where low long God hemi write him long him. God hemi tell him about for carry him a special box go inside the water Jordan. Water hemi run. But time ogata priest ogata walk about go inside, him no run now. Ogata priest stand up inside long middle long this water, time ogata people ogata walk about go long Canaan. Picture 4. Wall blown Jericho hemi fall down. Joshua chapter 6 verse 1 go kasim verse 27. Ogata people long Israel ogata sleep outside long Canaan kosab longan for the place ogata call him Jericho. Then God hemi tell him Joshua, me give him this place Jericho long you. You walk about around him this place Jericho with him army blue you for 6 days. Send for priest must carry him vehicle long front long this ark long God. Long 7 day you must mass round him this place 7 time with him ogata priest ogata blow him ogata bucles. Then ogata people must sing out big more. Time here wall blong Jericho by him fall down, ogata army blue must walk about go inside. Also Joshua hemi tell him ogata people, also God hemi tell him. Wall blow Jericho him fall down, and ogata Israel ogata win him this place. God hemi tell him ogata Israel no can take him any something with him ogata. Picture 5. Ogot Israel ran away from ogot along Ai. Joshua chapter 1, verse 1, go kasim verse 12. Ai hem one for a place called Sablong Jericho. Joshua must win him too, and him is send him some man for go look around him to place. Ogot come back and ogot talk osem. Even no fit for fighting ogot because ogot no flandy man ya. Time Joshua waited ogot a small army no ogot go and win him to place. But ogot man long Ai win him army belong Israel. Several man belong Israel ogot kill him ogot and planted blogata ogot run away. Time Joshua have fallen on I belong him long God. God him it okosem. Israel hem senior. Ogot steal and ogot gaman tumas. Osem na ogot Lucia. Picture 6. God him Jasim Achan. Joshua chapter 7, verse 14, go Kasim chapter 8, verse 29. Joshua him tell him ogot the people long Israel for come long God. God him show him Joshua osem Achan him sin. Joshua him tell him Achan for tell him osem one him make him wrong. And Achan him talk osem him true now me wrong finish. Time me looking one for a good for a sote, gold and silver me take him. Several man looking ogot something Achan him steal him and him hide him inside long house mong him. Achan ogot kill him die osem God him tell him ogata. God him turn him around course mong him now and him take him whole army belong Israel and go fight him ogot Ai. You follow no can fight, but me help him you follow for winning this fight. Time Israel him hear him talk belong God and ogot win him ogot long Ai. Picture 7. Sun with the moon, ogot no move. Joshua chapter 10, verse 1, go kasim verse 14. Ogot a wicked man long Canaan start for fight him Israel now. 5 follow group come for fight with him ogot along Israel. But God him tell him Joshua, you know can fight him ogot ya. Joshua and army blame ogot go fight with him ogot a group ya and ogot run away osem woman no more. God him rare him one for a big for a rain osem stone and him kill him ogot a die. Ogot a fight for one for a full day. Joshua him tell him sun and sun him no move. So God him make him sun and moon for ogot a stand up long one place no more. Go kasim time Israel him win him ogot enemy. No any something awesome before. God him help him ogot along Israel for win him ogot a wicked man along Canaan. Picture 8. Joshua him teach him ogot the people. Joshua chapter 23, verse 1, go kasim chapter 24, verse 28. Canaan him land ogot Israel now, osem God him tell him before. Time Joshua him old man, him tell him ogot the people long Israel for come long one for place. Him talk osem long ogot. You follow mas strong, you follow mas hear him talk long him, osem him stop long book long him. Suppose you will no hear him God, him by take him this a good ground where him give him live. You will must think good na, who na by you will hear him. Ogata people ogata promise osem baby ogata hear him God no more. Ogata God him give him ogata promise belong him long Joshua and ogata long Israel. Him give him this a ground long ogata and him win him ogata enemy. God him promise him one a good place long heaven. God him no sabe gaman. Enemy blue him Satan. Imi garaman for a leader where him big fella to must win him Satan. This for a man named him Jesus Christ. Imi must hear him and follow him. So today you know you must think good. Who know by you follow him. Picture 9. Deborah him talk for God. Judges 4, verse 1 go kasim verse 9. Time Joshua him die, ogot the people long Israel ogot na follow him God more. Ogot the prayer long ogot the idols blogot along Canaan. So God him give him power long ogot the Canaan for spoil him ogot the Israel and ogot the no good to mas na. Deborah him sabi to mas and him one for la judge long Israel. Ogot the people come for hear him talk blong him. Him try for turn him ogot to go back long God blong Israel. One fala day hem like story with him Barak, hem leader belong army belong Israel. And hem he tell him, you take him 10,000 men, and you go along this mountain Tabor. Sisera and army belong Canaan, back come for fight him you along there. But God baba hem win himself fight for you. Barak hem fright to us. Hem he tokos him long Deborah. Suppose you no come with me, but me no go. But Deborah hem he tokos him. Me by me go with him you, but God by him give him one for a woman for win him Sisera. But okata no him you. Picture 10. God him help him okata for win him Sisera. Judges 4 verse 10 go kasih verse 17. Chapter 5 verse 19 go kasih verse 21. Deborah and Barak and okata Israel go on top long mountain Tabor. Sisera and okata army belong Canaan okata go for fight him okata. Sisera hemi got him 900 man with him okata horse. Okata Israel got him binit nomolong han belong okata. Okata long Canaan come kosa belongan for la water kosa belong Mount Tabor. But okata man with him okata horse okata no sa move more because it's a place hemi rough to mas. Time water hemi run to mas and okata die everyone. So army belong Israel hemi win him army belong okata long Canaan. Okata die every bit. Only Sisera no ma him run away long leg belong him. Picture 11. Jail hemi kill him Sisera. Judges 4 verse 17 go kasih verse 23. Sisera hem run away go long house belong with a woman named him Jail. Hemi tokos him long him. You come inside, you no can fright. Jail him no get long Israel, so Sisera hemi go inside long house long him. Hemi give him water for drink him, and him go sleep. Jail hemi take him one for la nila him hammer him go long head long him time hemi sleep, and this la nila him go inside long ground. Time him Barak him come round for look out him Sisera. Jail hemi tell him for come long house long him, and so him this man him look out him. Sisera him die finish, wait him nila inside long head him go inside long ground. Picture 12. Okata Israel habitumas. Judges 5 verse 1 go kasih verse 31. God no more help him okata Israel for winning okata long Canaan. Deborah and Barak okata sing him a song and thank you long God. Okata people happy to mas too. Okata happy to mas long leader blogata Deborah. Hemi also mother blong okata. Okata happy long jail too because hem no fright long Sisera. God him use him to follow woman here for save him Israel. Okata God him sa use him okata weak man for win him okata strong man. Imi got him one for the enemy too. God him send him Jesus for save him imi from Satan. Okata wicked man kill him Jesus. Okata thinking awesome him no got him any power. But him come up life more. Him win him Satan and okata man no good. God himself will give him power and life okata man okata trust him and obey him. Imi sabe sing and imi sabe happy too and imi sabe worship him for the true God no more.
Satan by him fight with him or the people who follow him Jesus. But God him show him you me way for you me got him power for win him Satan. Picture number 13. Gideon and angel belong God. Judges 6 verse 1 and verse 24. Okata people belong Israel disobey him God and okata do him okata something no good. So God him let them okata Midianites come na take him okata and keep him okata for 7 years. Okata Midianites spoil him garden belong okata Israelites. Then okata Israel cry for God for save him okata. One fala day, one fala man name belong him Gideon him break him some fala wheat. Him try for hide from okata Midianite. Quick time no more one fala angel him come long Gideon. You go and save him okata Israel from okata Midianite. How now by me save him Israel, me no olsem one falaman. And God him talk olsem, me wait him you. Gideon him give him some fala kai long this fal angel. Him touch him, wait him stick blong him. Quick time no more, this fala fire him burn out, and this fala angel him go away. And Gideon him save, this fala message him come long God. Picture 14. Gideon him spoil him all keta idol. Judges chapter 6 verse 25 go kasim verse 32. Family belong Gideon o keta worship him Baal and Asherah. Tu flagodia and God belong o keta Canaan. God him say long Gideon, you break him down altar where father belong you and misave make him long Baal. And cut him down o keta post close up long Asherah. And build him good for the altar long God. Gideon him fright long o keta people, but hemi one day obey him God. So long night hemi take him 10 falaman and o keta spoil him o keta idols. All keta people cross and one day kill him Gideon, but father belong him look out him. Friends, God hemi big more than o keta idol or wood or stone. You me must always obey him. Picture 15. Ami belong Gideon o kata drink him water. Judges 7, 1 go long 7. Gideon him make him army long o kata man long Israel. O kata Midianites o kata come together na o kata fight him Israel. But God him tell him Gideon, you got him stuck a man. Any man who him fright, him go back long home. Staka long o kata man long Gideon o kata go home. God him talk mo or same long Gideon, you still got him staka man. You take him all kata go long water and buy me test him all kata for you. So Gideon him take him o kata man long him go long water for drink. Staka long o kata man o kata kneel down and drink all same dog. Only 300 man o kata drink him water long hand. Then God him talk all same. From this fella 300 man, by me win him or keta Midianites. Picture 16. O keta man belong Gideon o keta round him camp belong o keta Midianite. Judges 7 verse 12 kasim 25. Big fella army belong Midianites o keta stop long one valley. O keta garim plenty man and camel. Gideon him garim only 300 man, but God him tell him one him for dream. Gideon him give him one fella man, one fella trumpet, and one fella torch inside long empty jar. All keta round him camp long o keta Midianite long middle long night. Quick time no more o keta make him big fella noise. All keta blow him o keta trumpets and break him o keta jazz and sing out for God and Gideon. O keta Midianites o keta surprise and o keta start for kill him all keta. And o keta run away from camp blow o keta and o keta Israel win him all keta. Friends, no matter you me weak and you me no plenty long number or same army belong Gideon, wait him help belong God, you me save win him, this fella, big fella enemy belong you me, Satan. Picture 17. Samson him kill him one fella lion. Judges 13, 1, Kasim 14 and 19. After Gideon hemi die, oketa Israelites oketa go back again from God. So God hemi let him oketa Philistine punish him oketa. Then God hemi send him one fella leader who hemi strong for save him Israel. Name belong him Samson. Spirit belong God hem make him strong. But Samson hem no use him this fella strong for save him Israel. Hem use him for hem seleva and hem disobey God. Samson hem looking one fala gelong Philistine and hem like him. Hem tell him father blong hem, you take him this fal girl for me. Hem look good long me. Time Samson hem go long house blong this fala woman. One fala lion hem attack him. Samson hem strong too much and hem kill him this fala lion wait him hand blong hem no more. Hem married him this fala woman, but this fala woman hem not true for him. Because hemi cross, hemi kill him 30 fala man long Philistine. Picture 18. Samson and Oketa wild dog. Judges 15, 1 Kasim 17. Samson hem go mo long Philistine for take him wife blong him. But father blong him hemi give him long one fala man. Samson hemi say, this time by me spoil him straight oketa Philistine. Hem go out and hemi cast hole him 300 wild dogs. Hem time up him tail blong oketa 2 by 2. Then hem time up him oketa light torch long oketa wild dog and hemi let him oketa go inside long garden with blong oketa Philistine. All keta garden blong all keta bonem. O keta Philistine look him Samson no good too much. All keta try for kill him Samson, but Samson hemi take him one fala bone long Job long one fala ass, and hemi kill him 1,000 Philistine wait him. Picture 19. Oketa Philistines cut him hair blong Samson. Judges 16, 1 Kasim 22. Samson hem no cut him hair blong him before. Long hair blong him saw him hem blong God who give him this fella strong. But Samson hem go on long disobey him God. Samson hem go take him nara fella woman. Name blong him Delilah. This fella girl him try hard for find him, want him na him make him Samson him strong. And this time him tell him, all keta give him me long God. Suppose o keta cut him hair blong me, by me lose him strong blong me. One fella night, Samson him sleep, Delilah him sing out him o keta Philistine. All keta cut him hair blong him. And God him lose him Samson and strong blong him. Oketa Philistines time up him Samson and oketa pull out him eye blong him. Oketa put him lo prison, but hair blong him grow again. Picture 20. Samson him spoil him oketa Philistines. Judges 16, 23 Kasim 31. Oketa leader blong Philistine oketa offer him sacrifice long idol. Oketa take him out Samson long prison. Oketa put him middle long this fella big fella house and oketa like him for make him oketa happy. Samson him pray for God and him say, you remember me and give him me strength for this fella time. And Samson him haul for oketa post long this fella big house. Hemi lean long all keta post, wait him all keta strong blong him, and house him fall down long antap all keta. Samson wait him o keta leader blong Philistine o keta die everyone. God hemi give him victory for Samson hemi win him o keta Philistines, but because hemi disobey him God, hemi no look him. Friends, suppose you me give him you me all keta long God, him by giving you me strength for winning Satan and all keta evil plan belong him. But you me must use him this fella strong for save him God, and you me no use him for you me seleva. Picture 21. Jesus him send him out all keta evil spirit. Luke 8, 26, Kasim 39. Jesus hem stop long Israel for many years behind long Gideon and Samson. One fala day hem meeting one fala man who hem garem plenty evil spirit. This fala man hem fall down long front blood Jesus and hem say, "Wanim na by me doing waiting you Jesus, you son blong God." All keta spirit ya o keta save, Jesus hem son blong God. Jesus hem tell him o keta evil spirit ya for go out from this fala man. O keta spirit run away and go inside o keta pig. O keta pig run away go long sea and o keta drown. O keta people look him, Jesus hem garem power for run him o keta spirit no good and Satan. Even o keta spirit o keta obey him. Picture 22. Jesus hemi run him o keta evil man. Luke 19:45 kasim 48. John 2:13 kasim 21. One fala day, Jesus hem go inside long house blong God long Jerusalem. Ol keta salem o keta animal for sacrifice inside long house blong God. O keta make him o keta money for all keta seleva and o keta rafim o keta people. Jesus hemi cross and hemi talk all same. House blong me hem house for prayer. But you will make him for place blow steal him o keta man. Hemi drive him out all keta this fala man o keta save steal. Jesus hemi pikinin blong God. Jesus hem garem power for run him all keta evil man from house blong father blong him. You saw him me fala, you garem power for do him this one. Jesus hem talk all same. Spoil him body blow me for 3 days and bye me rise up again. Picture 23. Jesus hemi life again after hemi die. Matthew 27:33 kasim 28:20. All keta Jews kill him Jesus. O keta nail him hem long cross and hemi die. But long make it 3 day hemi life again. God hemi give him Jesus power for win him death. Hem no save die more. Then o keta people look him now, Jesus hemi really pikinini blong God. Jesus hem talk all same for o keta people who follow him. Mi garem o keta power for heaven and long earth. Go long all keta people long all keta place and make him all keta for following me. Teach him all keta for obey him every something mi talem lo you fala. And bye me stop waiting you fala always. Jesus hemi garem all keta strong over Satan, sin and die. Hemi give him life-long spirit long all keta who follow him. Hemi want them you me for share him this fala message with him everyone. Picture 24. Soldier for God. Ephesians 6:10 kasim 18. Jesus hemi win him Satan. Jesus hemi give him you me power for stand up against him Satan. You me must ready also one fala soldier who hemi ready for go long war. First time you me must always tell him truth. You me need him this fala truth round him you me. You me must love him all keta people and do him what hemi right. This fala hemi also breastplates where him stop him Satan for him no put him o keta no good thing inside long you me. You me must tell him all keta people about Jesus hemi way blong peace. This fala hem also su where you me wear him long leg blong you me for hemi keep him you me no walk about inside long road blong Satan. You me must trust him God for keep him you me safe. This fala hem also seal for keep him you me from Satan hem no suit him you me long all keta way blong him. Jesus hemi save him you me from punishment blong sin. This fella hem also had for save him spirit blong you me from die. Talk blong God Bible hem also spear blong you me. Yumi must use him for spoil him o ketalaya blong Satan. Yumi must talk long God long prayer and obey him one him emitalem for Yumi. Then Yumi too, by win him Satan, sin and die.